how to download and install latest play system update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on privacy and security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, you will see last option is updates. So click on updates. After click on updates, so click on Google Play System Update and click on check for update. So after click on check for update, after the process go back to on screen. So that's how you can download and install latest Google Play system update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.